This 2023 Newmar Dutch Star 3709 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Bayshore Decor, Driftwood Glazed Maple Hardwood interior, sleeps 4, TV antenna, refrigerator, slideout, air conditioning, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, TV, stove top burner, external shower, self-contained, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Dutch Star 3709 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 450 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.